Hello, how to recover the permanently deleted file for free. The permanently deleted file can't be found in the recycle bin. I'm going to permanently delete this file right here. To delete a file permanently, hold Shift and delete. Click Yes. Now the file is gone. How can I bring it back? According to my experience, there is a don't with this method before I begin. Recovering a file on the same drive might not work. For instance, the recovery program I'm going to use by default installs on local disk C, so attempting to recover a file from C may occasionally fail. Search for Recuva in Google search. Recuva is a program allowing users to find and recover files, both on internal or external storage devices. Choose the CCleaner link. The download link can also be found in the video description. Download free Recuva. The download will start automatically. If not, click on this button. Open and install. Click on Install. In the Recuva wizard, if you're unsure of the file type you want to recover, you can select all files. But if you know the file type, select it. I am absolutely certain that the file is a video. Click Next. File location. If you can't remember where your file was located, select I am not sure. For myself, I am certain of the location. I will select in a specific location. Click Browse to tell the computer where the file is located. Click Next. Click Start. You just wait. Wow, it's now possible to recover the file. Check on it. Click Recover. Decide on a location. I advise against picking a location in local disk C. The file will begin to recover as soon as you click OK. Operation completed. Click OK. Shut the Recuva window. I'll check the location to see if the file is present. Wow, there is a file there. I'll open it to check whether it's genuine. It's true. Many thanks for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell symbol. Goodbye.